Leo. Hi Leo, this is your channel messages for the 30th of October. I'm your host Vanessa Carby, psychic medium, spiritual practitioner, and tarot reader. Leo, I'm on a time sensitive slot until the crowd come into the room and I can't use the room no more. So, I have to eat, I have to have breakfast while I'm the readings, okay? Please do not judge me for when we go to church. The church give you bread to eat like a fucking bird. So do not judge me. Don't judge me, for I am enough.
She got me all on my dick. He got me all on my dick. Billie Jean. Merci beaucoup.
What are you doing here? I'm listening to Pop Smoke. What? I'm listening to Pop Smoke. Yeah, but why? I'm cleaning my room. Yeah, but how did you hear about Pop Smoke? I said, Alexa, play Pop Smoke. So, Dad, could you leave me alone? I'm trying to clean my room and listen to Pop Smoke, okay? Thank you.
I got her all on my dick. She's sucking dick. Billie Jean.
Okay, anyways, let's go ahead and go into your reading. Leo, what do you need to know right now, Leo? You need to know,
I got her all on my dick. Billie Jean. She got it all on my dick. I wanna let y'all niggas know I love y'all. I fuck with y'all and I appreciate y'all, you know what I'm saying? I'd never be no without y'all. Yo, I'm telling you, I'ma wait until this motherfucking shit drop. And these people gonna be like, yo, this bitch is crazy, right? She got me all on my dick. Billie Jean, merci beaucoup.
Right, exactly, the devil card. No, you may say, why would the devil, the devil could have me. Why do they need your kids? Well, I'm happy you asked this question. This may arise the same answers that was arisen at the time that America had, they shown a statue of Baphomet sitting down with two kids looking up. You remember that statue there, when it happened? And the Christian them did not go on. When that statue was veiled, I was in Jamaica. There's a statue in America somewhere, I don't remember if they moved it, but it was a Baphomet with breasts. And you had two kids looking up on the statue. So first and foremost is, if you're scared of your kids falling to the devil, your kids only fall to what you fall to. That's why some of the kids come out not religious like you. Some of the kids come out more demon-like than Uno. So first of all, what the devil wants with the kids. Now we know the devil is bisexual. We know the devil will control you. We know the devil will exploit you, right? But that video is very funny. When the little boy I tell him father, the little white boy I tell him white father for leave him alone, him a clean him room. And the guy I said, why you clean the room? Why you listen to him? He like, I'm listening to Pop Smoke. No, a kid not supposed to be listening to Pop Smoke. You'd say Pop Smoke is this. But what was the energy in the song why the little boy I clean him room? I don't see white kids clean them room. Fuck you, mommy. If you come in here again, I'll swear the fuck, I'll take Dad's gun and I'll shoot the fuck out of you. That's how white kids talk. So what was significant about this kid cleaning him room, and what was the song he was listening to? Pop Smoke. So the first thing is, we're getting, someone's racist as fuck. When a racist and blood clots at adult center laccord for adult, you know, racist and them blood clot them, because that is what the fuckers never like. The blood clot teacher with the name Christian, because them they hack out my blood clot webcam. We were on Teams and them hack out my blood clot webcam and microphone, and they heard me in my room listening to Pop Smoke. Most of the blood clot whitewash black girl down there, so they wanted me to put on a wig and act white. They wanted me to act whiter than Ruslan's wife, right? And I said no, and Jamaica I come from, and even if I act white, the way how I suck dick and pick you, you're gonna know me as a Jamaican girl, right? Okay, there's no Caucasian, it's about the way I suck dick or ride your blood clot dick either. Therefore, I said to myself, Pop Smoke, them hear me a blood clot I play a talk, but because them hear him say, I want to let y'all niggas know, because they were mad because they weren't a nigga. You weren't upset because they play Pop Smoke in a blood clot French school. You were upset because you wanted to be a nigga so bad. And the nigga of the school was one of the top people in the fucking French class. That's why you switched me with the Asian girl. Because you never want a nigga doing that well, standing there. Regardless or not, that's the point I was trying to make. Before you call somebody demonic, check your hole. Before you call somebody demonic, you may not, just because you don't understand the message, it don't mean somebody younger than you can't understand.
She's sucking all on my dick. She's sucking all on my dick. Billie Jean, Billie Jean.
Right? Christy and Dora, the devil. Leo. So at what point is the devil teaching your kids to clean your room? Maybe the devil is using your parents' fears against them, turning your son into an independent man. So now you can't guilt your son into making the wrong decision. Sounds like your parents is the devil. So that's why you need to know. You deal with a Capricorn, you deal with industry, or me getting, you deal with the spirit. The spirit them are come around the kids. When you see the kids them are take to some big people thing, the spirit is coming. Nothing can tell me say Pop Smoke spirit never around that child there while the child are clean. You know how that's an ancient Jamaican country thing. You play music and clean, you play certain music and clean, because you need to get the spirit them out of your house while they are clean. The little boy play Pop Smoke while him are clean, in room. Him don't even know how to organize shit properly. I don't even think that little boy know how to do his own laundry. But he knew how to do it when he heard the lyrics of Pop Smoke in his head. So what you believe is demonic for your children, you don't know if your children are taking inspiration from it. Maybe you're a demon. Maybe you need some exorcism in your pussy or in your penis. So what you need to embrace, the Ace of Wands, yeah.
I got her sucking on my dick. I got her all on my dick. Billie Jean, Billie Jean. Yeah, I tell y'all niggas, I told y'all niggas, man. I told you when that shit drops, these niggas gonna be like, yo.
This bitch crazy, bruh. This bitch crazy. I told the man that she crazy and he still want to be with her.
I got her sucking on my dick. Billie Jean, Billie Jean.
See it, yeah? Not every kid is influential. You hear if you know that. What if a kid is a devil? The kid will be the one doing the influence. You're like, oh my God, are you taking drugs? No, mom, I'm selling it. Yeah, your kid is the one who sells the drugs and don't take it. If you know where your kid is. So you need to embrace the Ace of Wands, embrace a new idea, or I'm getting, but not tell you to make the corruption around the kids, but I'm getting, why is it that for the longest while the kids them take to certain corrupt things? Is a reason why. Now of course it's fucking up the brains of our children, it's eating out them brain cells. We're not denying this. But I notice, you see the girl them in a high school, when did fucky, they graduated and got jobs. You see the girl them in a high school but never fucky, and who Christian, they got pregnant after school. Nothing can, you see, if I never push myself to be so curious about life, I know I would have been captured a long time. I know I would have been tricked into love, tricked into a life of believing my purpose is to do something, tricked into being just a mother. Would I get tricked into that? But you see, when you know a lot about sex, you see when you know a lot, because enough of our parents, enough of our parents and our grandmother, a sex fucked them up. They either got pregnant too early, they did not get a ring before them had a baby. It's sex usually. All of them will tell the same thing, stay away from man. Why you stay in school so you can support yourself so a man don't support you? It always go back to sex. So I'm getting, you can't be afraid of sex. Sex is what the devil uses to control you. If you're afraid of sex, then he's going to use it to control you. He's going to make sure so the first time you have sex, you're going to get pregnant. He's going to make sure so the first time you have sex, you're going to be raped or molested. Because the devil uses what you fear. The girls them who usually round the back in the school sucking dick, they graduated with flying colors. It was the girls who were part of the, what you call it? The student body, the Christian body, and them are the girls who would get pregnant after school. Those are the girls who had babies after school. It wasn't the one who was sucking dick on the ball field. They were getting top grades. So I don't know if you're noticing that, yes, you don't want somebody to be in the streets, but I'm getting the less sexually educated you are, and the easier for man to take advantage of you. It's easier for women to take advantage of you when you're not educated sexually. When every time you hear sex, you run and you do this. That's why they got pregnant early. They've never known nothing about sex. Because they think that talking about sex is so demonic. Okay, but you met the man coming at you. Wasn't that demonic? No? Great. So let's continue the reading. So, do you see my point? Great. So that's what I need to embrace. Embrace that sex can be used as a beautiful thing to create. But sex can use for blood clot, tear you the fuck down. Look how much of our exes are stalking out our blood clots because we tell them we don't want to fuck them no more. Them still have Scarborough stalk out my blood clot pussy, even though I told them I don't want to fuck them anymore. They have police stalking on my pussy. This is how bad it is, right? Okay. So sex can cure, sex can bring life. And sex can also kill. Because if you don't strap up properly, you'll catch something. So you need to know what you do. What do you need to release? Leo, you're getting release your urge for sex. Maybe you have a porn addiction. Maybe you have a sex addiction because you're getting you're masturbating a lot. See, the hand is on the sword, the hand is on the one, the devil. You're getting a lot of masturbation, Leo. You masturbate a lot. Or you're doing something, you watch porn, you're getting a porn addiction or something like that, yeah, though. So you need to release this. This is coming back from the Sagittarius reading or the Cancer reading. We're getting the devil have you and them have you with sex. So you can't stay faithful to your girlfriend, you can't stay faithful to your wife, you leave work for have sex, you have a sex addiction, you have an incubus, succubus on you. Let me see what's next. Or that's what happened to you in the past. What's next is a Knight of Swords, yeah. Leo, you need to run, you need to start jog, you hear? Every morning you get up your jog, that is going to cure your horniness. You have a sex addiction, yeah, me don't know if you watch somebody or me don't know if somebody just turn you on. You have two choices. You need to talk to the subject to see if you and them can be in a situation so that your turn on can turn off, or Leo, you need to start jog in the morning. You're getting morning, noon and night you're horny. Morning, noon and night you have an erection. Morning, noon and night. Me getting you need to not gym. Me not tell you to go gym. You need to run, work out and run. Don't go into a closed gym, go lift the blood clot weights. Gym now do not fear, right? Gym is making you horny. You don't see all that iron you're lifting? It's making you fucking horny. Me not talk about gym. You need to jog. Put headphones in your ears and jog like 9 miles. Okay? Do that. Because I'm getting this as something you need to beat, Leo. You need to beat your tie to the devil and sex. Or if that's not it, I'm getting the reason why you won't allow somebody to come around you is because they're too sexual for your kids. Well, all I know is your kids' room going to be clean.
I got them all on my dick. Billie Jean, Christy and Dora. I want to let y'all niggas know I love y'all. I fuck with y'all and I appreciate y'all. You know what I'm saying? I'll never be no without y'all.
Let's go. We have I am the game. Yes, you are. Yes, 2E. We have FBI. We got recording devices. We got spirit attached. Yeah, because you have a sex demon on you. We have evil and we have genius IQ. You need to jog. You need to run, jog, run. Not go gym, not lift no weight, not go on no blood clot treadmill where you're there one place to run. You need to run. Feel the breeze when you feel the scenery. You need to do that. Me getting you have a sex addiction or a porn addiction. Maybe that's what mash up your relationship, I don't know. Or maybe you need to tell somebody. Or maybe you need to somebody while watching porn with them. You have a sex addiction? I can be a sex doll until the addiction is cured. If you're willing to pay. We'll leave it here until next time. Bye.